Hi guys, this is Hightech TV. Today, I want to share with you what I experienced today unexpectedly. It was so scary. So, after everything, I decided to come here and make it a video so that my viewers can see. Uh, After I check out from a store, I went to store this morning to purchase this thing called Scents. It's an air freshener. So after checking out from the store, I get into the car and I try to hook it up here. As you can see, guys, if you look at this, you're gonna see a little clip. Yeah, this clip comes with this, with the item. So I try my possible best just to hook it up here when I bought it, and then I started driving up. So on my way going, I discovered that the item fell down, the air freshener, while driving. So I quickly bent down to grab it in order to avoid it rolling under the pedal. So I quickly bent down and grab it, and I was trying to, hook it up back here. So during that process, if you look at this, my hand was so close to this place, I don't know. So during that process, trying to fix it here, I accidentally hit on this button, which is the start engine button. So what happened was so amazing and unexpected. Yeah, it was highly unexpected. So after seeing that, I decided to come here so that I can share the idea with my viewers. Yeah. So it happens when I was below 20 speedometer, maybe 15 speedometer kilometer per hour or above, something like that, maybe 15 or 16 kilometer per hour above or below, around that level. So then when I hit on the highway, it happens again. Yeah, when I was on the highway speed, it happens again. So when I go home, I decided to grab the item and then put it in video so I can give my viewers the idea. I can share the idea with my viewers. So that was why I make up my mind to do this video. So I am doing this video now confidently because I already experienced what happened. I already knew what happened, and that was why I having that mind of doing it. Let me put it that way. So please guys, don't try it. So I'm gonna hit on the road now and show you what really happened when I mistakenly hit it. So now I'm starting up the engine, putting the car to drive. Turn off the air. So don't try this, guys. Please don't try it, please. Don't try it. I'm only doing this because it happens unexpectedly, and then I wasn't expecting it when it happened. So that's why. Look at this. You see that? I'm gonna hit it. Yeah, this was what happened. Then nothing happened. The light was just flashing. It was only blinking. You see that? But during that process of hitting it, something shows up on the dash. A message. Let me reclick it again. Look at it. You see that? A message come up here. Now, as you can see, saying present button again ×2. You see that? Let me hit it again. You see that? Pressing button again ×2, or holding will cause ignition off and loss of the light there. You see that? So now I want to speed up a little bit more and till I get to the highway speed, and then let's see what's gonna happen. So here we go. Watch the speedometer. I am on the road where there is no car in the front and no single car at the back. As you can see, the road is clear. So look at my speed now. You see that? then I'm gonna hold on to it. You see what happened? Did you see what happened? The car engine went off, and then the transmission went to neutral automatically. The car is moving, it's not stopping, as you can see, it's not stopping, but it went to manual. I mean to neutral. So now I'm trying to come to the complete stop, and let's see, because the brake is functioning. Now the car is stopped. You see that? Went to park, and then the light went off. Did you just see that? So I want to start the engine back. Yeah, I just start up the engine back now, and then I want to see what will happen to your throttle if you do it. I'm trying to make it on here so that I can. Okay, let me just go straight to the front. Let me go straight. Yeah. Now, I'm going now, and then you look at the speed. You see that? I'm gonna hit it and hold on to it again. You see that? The engine went off, and that second time it went to drive. It stays on drive, and during this time, even if you hit on the throttle, is not moving, it's not taking any effect because the engine is off. Then after a little while, the engine went to neutral while going. You can see it's moving now. It's moving, but the car is on neutral, and my throttle is taking no effect. Even if I press it, it's taking no effect. You can see that, and the car is moving. Went to neutral after that drive. So I want to try and see the brake, what's going to happen. And now, yeah, the brake works. Yeah, as you can see that the brake works. Yeah, so I just want to pull up down to a corner where I can park. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop the car here, and then I'm gonna stop here, and let's see what happened after the complete stop. You see that? After the complete stop, it went to park, and then the light went off. That's what happened. So I'm gonna start the car back and leave. Thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. I have a lot of videos to upload, so hit on the subscribe button. Make sure you give us thumbs up. After the thumbs up, make sure also you hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. Yeah, thank you once again, and have a great day.